Are you looking to connect HubSpot with your Squarespace website? Well, it takes one little snippet of code to connect the two. Let's walk through how to do just that.
Welcome to HubSpot Hacks, where we help you get more out of HubSpot.
Connecting HubSpot with Squarespace is very powerful because you want to be able to see the activity that's happening on your website and link that back to the contacts and information that's in your HubSpot portal. Now, since HubSpot operates independently from Squarespace, you can actually link the two through the HubSpot tracking snippet. So let's walk through how to do that here right inside of HubSpot. So you're going to start inside HubSpot, go to settings, and inside settings on the left-hand side here, depending on the level of HubSpot that you have, this may look different in terms of what it says, but it's under this reports area, and you're looking here for this tracking code. So I'm going to go to this tracking code. I'm going to select the tracking code and then copy it. And then I'm going to head over to my Squarespace site. And for the purposes of this demonstration here, I've actually just set up a dummy site. So we won't actually go through the process of saving this since we have to have a paid subscription to do that. So here inside of Squarespace, we're going to go to settings. And once inside of settings, we're going to click on advanced. And one more thing here inside code injection. Now inside of this code injection area, we've got the header. So I'm just going to paste that code right here. And then I'm going to click save. And right now, since this site isn't live, we're not going to go ahead and test this, but that's where that's going to live. And if there's any activity that happens on your site for a contact that's already registered and tracked inside of HubSpot, their activity on your site will then show up under their contact record. Also, with this snippet installed, what you can do is you can set up the live chats. We have another video that we actually show you how to set up live chat on the website. It's the same process here. Once the snippet is installed on Squarespace, you can have that live chat then represent itself on your website. Go ahead and refer to that other video if you need some help there. So that's it. Pretty straightforward how to link that HubSpot code with your Squarespace website. For more tips, tricks, and how-tos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment below if you have an idea for a future video, and we'll see you next week.